Massey Ferguson 1150. 50-year-old man was in the, he'd had it for many years, guys. He was in the process of rebuilding it when he passed away. And I want to show you something here. We have Massey 1150 cabin air, Massey Ferguson 1150 open station we're selling, and the Massey Ferguson 1150 with the ROPS. These are all excellent tractors. The canopy is headed to England. This one here is the one that is currently for sale, gentlemen. The one with the cab may come for sale, but is not currently. As you can tell, this is a one owner 1150 here.